Ignore the old pans, they are older, well used, they look dirty, they're not dirty, it's just cheap pan and wear and tear. So all I'm going to do, throw that in. Person not bothered about the leaves. You might want to take a few off. I'll take a few off. There's quite a few leaves on these, so I'll take a few off. That's fine. When you're happy with that, nice and easy. Again, generous helping of thing on top. So these only need literally, I'd say, around 5 minutes. Now I don't have any fresh lemon today, but I do have some cheap lemon juice. Oh, actually, do I? No, I do. No, I don't. I thought I did. I thought everyone had done. So I've got some normal lemon juice here. Okay. And then obviously good generous. Okay. And then make sure that's nice and mixed. Smell it. There's a bit more lemon on there, I think. And then that's just going to go in the oven. This takes no longer than 15 minutes at 200 degrees. Obviously it's up to you how hard you want that broccoli. I like a bit of bite. My partner doesn't. So that's quite soft, but usually 15 minutes is a nice happy medium. And once the broccoli's done, which does take literally 15 minutes, that's it. Well, job done. And I'm just going to put this in the bowl. Beautiful, healthy-ish, if you allow for the olive oil. Oh, can't get the last out. And there you go. Another beautiful side. Oh no. As usual, don't forget, wherever or whenever you are viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click the links to the right to see some more of my beautiful, delicious recipes. Give that notification bell a ring to be informed of future content. And last but not least, comment below what's on your plates.